yoga challenge. I mean, have you ever done yoga before?
Never.
Yeah.
I done that
I did like a thing and
you know where you hold your friend up there like that?
yeah,
I've done that like, but like when I was 5.
And we like picked the hardest ones.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a bit extreme. We have this to break our fall.
Yeah, because we probably will fall.
Yeah, I will anyway.
Okay, so we'll get into it now and we'll start doing the first one and we'll like obviously put up pictures of each.
So right,
okay,
right, we're gonna
You on
insert a
bottom.
picture anyway.
You on bottom, me on top.
Yeah, okay, but I can't even do a bloody plank.
Okay, well I'll get on the bottom then.
No, you get on the top.
It's just, yeah, okay.
Right?
Okay, so.
Right, hold on now, because this blanket is slippy as well.
Yeah, I didn't think of that, did I?
No. Oh yeah, actually, no, that's what you do. Sit on me first, because it'll be easier. I think.
Will the camera be able to see you?
Yeah.
No, Amber, the camera will not be able to see us.
We should pass on that one. Okay, next one.
That was, I'm actually sweating. Oh, I thought that was going to be easy. You can go upside down.
Okay, leave it there.
Right.
Okay.
I'll sit like this.
Should we get rid of the blanket?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the blanket's kind of slippy.
Shall we do it in reverse?
Here's a ghost.
You would just bend over my head. Let me put my head through your legs. No, hold on. Right. Just one leg at a time.
Oh, Amber, are we doing it?
No, get off me. Push your back on. Just get off. Push your back. I can wet myself. 7, 3. Oh, my god.
Okay, go again. One more time. That was it, wasn't it? Oh.
Can I sit against the wall?
Yeah, but then yeah. Okay.
I have no arm strength either. Yeah, you try to do a handstand. And I can see your mouth, you know when your mouth is upside down, it's really funny like. You're actually gonna shit on my head.
Okay, what do I do now?
Just give me this leg. No.
Like that?
Yeah, just hold on, let me put that up as far as I can
What do we
get.
put it against the wall for now? Okay, next move.
We're not very good at this. No, it was just funny because I was like struggling with your legs here and you were like, oh, we're doing it. I stink now. Right.
This is literally the oldest photograph ever. Look.
Can I be the one on the top?
Okay, so.
Actually, yeah, okay.
I'll go on top. No, I'll go on
Are
bottom.
you sure?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to? Are you gonna be able to hold me like?
Ready.
Take your socks off or your feet will slip. You want me to hold me now?
Yeah, just do it quick. Get over it.
Just fucking do that! Yeah, we can definitely screen grab that and it looks like we're doing it.
Easy.
Right, do you want me to be the bottom?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so you figure your move out. I'm doing my toes.
Yeah, and then you
Okay, where do I go?
then you hook your feet underneath my armpits. You sit on me. Oh, I think. Sit on my legs. No, on my knees nearly. Out there a bit, yeah. Now hook your 2 feet under and then lean back.
Oh my god, did we do one? Did we do it?
Hook your feet. Do like nearly a half of a plank just with your legs. And then, oh yeah, this is a bit awkward, isn't it?
Are you gonna hold me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And then let go of the radiator.
Okay, we can
right,
definitely
yeah.
do this. So it's this.
Yeah. Right, so sit in, butts in a little bit, touch toes. Alright, pal. Now hold hands. Try and grab your hands. That's what we do. Grab hands first. Right. And like that, push up. But get your foot away from the light. Get your foot. I'm not touching the wall. We're doing it. No. Yeah. Stay there all day. 24-hour challenge of doing that yoga. Nah. Right. I'll be either. I don't mind.
I'll be this one.
Right.
Okay.
You do that and I'll do like a bit of that. Right, you're gonna have to scoot back a little bit. You can put your feet against the wall, it's easier for you. Right, and then I'll just do this. And I think I just do this.
Oh no way!
Next one.
Yeah, we can do this. We did this as kids.
Yeah, which one?
You on bottom, I on top.
I on top.
No, I'm heavy, like.
I know you're heavy.
What do you mean?
3, 2, 1. Whoops. Put your legs out, stupid. Come on.
The face of you struggling.
No, we're not done. We didn't do it. Oh, alright.
You need to straighten your legs out.
Yeah, but sure, you're not. You need to put your feet firm on my stomach.
Feel my
No, then
kidneys.
you should be.
Is this a yoga position?
No.
I look.
Where am I?
Well, that's all. Okay, well, that was alright. I think we failed.
We done one. The one with
I'm
my
out of
feet on your
breath.
back. Same, I'm sweating my ass
Oh.
and everything.
It's a workout. Oh, I put my socks on so people don't look at my toes.
Yeah, please.
Look at my trick and overhead.
Okay. Okay, so that's all. I think it was a bit of a fail. But thanks for watching. We got that video as a suggestion from somebody under our last video, so if you have any suggestions like that, just don't say them. Keep them to yourself next time. But yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe, and honestly, if you do have any suggestions, just write them down below.
Right, okay. Thanks, guys.
Bye!
Bye. I bet you can't even see us.
Correct. You can't see us. Sorry.